Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So today we're just going to show you an example of something that we've applied to a website. So we're going to go to the topdirectory.co.uk. We've actually got a video on YouTube giving you the behind the scenes of this directory. So you can see within the account area, and that might give you some inspiration or some ideas of what you could do with your directory. And how you can develop it. So what we're going to do with this directory is we're just going to go down to search business articles. And then we're going to click on one of the business articles. So we're just going to go in and click. And you can see here that the views are showing on the front end, so that every time the page populates, the views display. And this is quite a nice feature because then your visitors, people coming to your website, can see people are interacting with the post. So if this is a single image post, we can actually add the views here, but we can also add them to the search results as well. So if you want the views to display in the search results, we can do that as well. And the blog post is a single image post. If it's classified ads or something like that, then we can add the amount of views solely to the post page. So we would only display them here. Okay, so if it's a multi-image post, we can display it just within the post page. If it is a single image post, like blogs, like community articles, like events, then we can display the views here, but we can also display the views in the search results as well. It shows visitors to your website that people are engaging with your website, and it's quite a nice touch to add. So again, if that's something that you're interested in or wanting to look at further, you can reach out to us at membershipwebsites.net.